How's it going, everyone? So today I'm going to talk about how to get rid of yellow armpit stains on your shirt and how to prevent them from getting them again. So what makes under your arms smell? Before we get started, please subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already. I do appreciate the support. It helps my channel grow. Also, if you're interested in online personal training from me, simply comment below in the comment section. I will get back to you guys with more details. So what makes under your arms smell? Is it the sweating causing the underarm odor? Underarm odor isn't caused by your sweat, but instead the bacteria that's attracted to the places where you sweat the most, such as your feet and thighs on the underarms. Your body contains two types of sweat glands, eccrine and apocrine. Eccrine glands open directly onto the surface of your skin. For example, when your palms sweat, that perspiration comes from the eccrine gland, you guys. The apocrine glands open into your hair follicles, secreting a thicker sweat that is usually connected to underarm odor. So some tips that I do to help get rid of the yellow armpit stains, you guys, and to help with odor, because I know people are talking about the armpit stains, but they also want to know about the odor. Just make sure that you trim under your armpit hair, like trim your armpit hair, you guys, with scissors. Or if you're a girl, just completely shave it. As a guy, I never like to completely shave under my arms. You can if you want, but my personal preference is to leave just a little bit of hair. By getting rid of extra hair, there will instantly be less stain and less smell, you guys, because the bacteria will not have room to hide anymore. So that's a major tip for getting rid of the yellow armpit stains, you guys. Make sure you're bathing daily and washing under your arms with soap. This is huge. If you work out, then after doing your routine, you are going to want to shower as soon as possible. This will really help with the armpit stains on your shirts, you guys. Another way is to use vinegar. Soak your shirts in vinegar. Vinegar will help to get rid of the stains as well. Certain foods can help with armpit stains, can make you less likely to get the armpit stains. Garlic, fish, curry, and other spicy foods, and even alcohol can make your underarm odor smell worse. Studies have shown that eating red meat can also make underarm odor, whereas a diet without it might improve the smell. So if you're eating those foods, you're smelling pretty bad, it could be because of the foods you're eating. So how can we get rid of the nasty underarm smell? Eating chlorophyll-rich foods can neutralize other foods that can cause underarm odor. Chlorophyll foods are spinach, kale, Roman lettuce, and parsley. Generally, the greener the vegetable, the more chlorophyll it will have. Even kiwi, avocado, and pistachios are very high in chlorophyll. End of video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Please like the video and share it. Thanks again.